Hello, my name is Emily and welcome to TechSavvyTeam. Today I'll be showing you how to crimp an RJ-45 Ethernet cable. Let's get started. First, get your crimper and cut off the wire casing that you don't need. Next, separate the wires and cut off the plastic part inside. Try to straighten out the wires as best as you can. The order we'll be using is striped orange, solid orange, striped green, solid blue, striped blue, solid green, striped brown, and solid brown. Once you have them laid out in that order, use some sharp pliers and try to cut a straight edge. Now we're ready to insert the wires into the connector. Once each wire is in its correct spot, put it through the crimper to tighten the connector. Once that's done, use the pliers to cut off excess wires. Repeat this step on the other side. Now that you have both sides of the cable connected to the connector, you want to take your network cable tester and plug one side into the clamp. The other side will be plugged into the wire. To test that it's working, you turn on your network cable tester. Set it to a hot net orbit, and then press OK twice. You'll know that it's working when you see 8 straight lines going from 1 to 8.
So, how do you like the video? If you enjoyed it and want to see more, please click on the like and subscribe button below. If there's anything we can improve on or something you want us to review, please let us know in the comments. This is Larry, and we are a Tech Savvy team connecting you with technology.